advocate, joining with Mayor Bill de Blasio as we look to expand services and address the needs of individuals who have historically been left out of the discussions within this current administration. And a mayor who unfortunately has only focused on the rich and the well-to-do, and a mayor who unfortunately has ignored the needs of those people who are suffering in the city of New York. And that message resonated. And as a result of that clear message, that clarion call in the city of New York, we would urge the mayor to cease and desist from engaging in any further cuts to the delivery of health care in the city of New York. Thank you.
It has been made abundantly clear that the last days of the Bloomberg administration has one sole purpose, and that's to lay waste to many public services as he can. It is not enough to close hospitals, child care centers, schools, and social service agencies. This mayor has intent on dehumanizing working people and poor people, and to prioritize any and anything that he can before he departs.
We've been excluded from the decision-making process, not only from the Department of Health, but from this mayoral administration when it comes to health care, when it comes to delivery and coordination of that health care. You cannot guarantee access if you decide to cut. You decide to make it more challenging for our community to have that access, particularly low-income communities of color. You cannot have access if you're overburdening the union members who provide that access, who do the work. We have one thing also in common. We are going to fight to ensure the next mayoral administration makes changes to that.
Healthcare is a right, it's not a privilege. The powers that be at HHC and in City Hall needs to know that when we are a healthy nation, guess what? We're a productive nation. Patients shouldn't have to choose what hospital they need to go to. HHC is the safety net for people of color, for the underserved and the uninsured. And we will continue to fight not only for the patients, but for our members' jobs.
Everything is coming top down, like Wall Street down. And the priorities of this administration are tax breaks for the millionaires, billionaires, real estate, companies that do not create jobs in New York. That's their priority. Our priority is the people who live in New York, working people and the poor.